All right. Tell me about what's going on with you. You said you're living in your car.
Yeah, the last 3 months.
Why are you living in your car? Because you don't have the money to get an apartment?
Yeah, that.
Are you working?
Yes, sir.
Where?
My boss is right there.
Where's your boss?
Right there.
What do you do?
Demolition, flooring.
How many hours do you work per week?
Just depends. It could be a big job. It could be a small job.
Oh, okay. So listen, on average, what is your gross income every week or bi-weekly, however often you get paid?
Probably like
Gross, before taxes are taken out.
probably like $600 a week.
Is that before or after taxes?
I can pay cash.
Nice. I know you're reporting that to the government. Don't answer that. Listen, $600 a week in cash is not that bad.
This courtroom session hits hard right from the start. A 19-year-old living out of a truck, struggling to survive while balancing probation. A judge who blends tough love with real compassion. And a non-stop docket of traffic cases that reveal how quickly everyday mistakes can spiral into serious consequences. From probation violations that could mean jail time to young drivers learning hard lessons at the bench. This isn't just about tickets, it's about accountability, second chances, and how the justice system responds when life is already stacked against you. Stick around because some of these rulings may surprise you.
How many hours you working?
30, 40.
You gotta work more than that. If he's only giving you 30 hours, you better find another part-time job. Hard work is never gonna kill us, you know that? It's never gonna kill us. Look, I'm gonna cut you some slack here. Okay? Why'd you miss the probation appointment?
Honestly, if I would have remembered it, I would have went.
Okay, you gotta put it in the blackboard of your mind. Sticker notes, right? Whatever. You got a phone?
Yeah.
Put it in your calendar. You know how to do that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Can you meet with him today?
Yes, absolutely, Aaron.
I'm gonna cut you some slack here. I don't want to see anybody who's. Do you have parents or family in the area that might take you in for a while? It's horrible living out of your car, isn't it?
My parents that I was staying with, they relapsed.
They what?
They relapsed. Lost their house.
I'm not gonna do anything. He's got 2 technical violations. I want you in anger management. Your boss can hear me. Maybe he can give you a upfront loan or work it off against other future work.
Yeah, he's been wanting me to sleep in his
Listen,
truck.
again,
Sorry.
you're not even sleeping in your truck, you're sleeping in his
No.
truck?
No, I'm sleeping in his truck. Yeah. It's not even mine. I pay car insurance on it. That's it.
Why don't you get another job too?
I'm trying to look for night jobs.
Yeah, it's not gonna kill you.
No,
How old are you? Did
19.
you graduate?
Yeah.
Okay, from where?
TVLA. It's like the virtual Taylor Academy.
Okay. No costs. Just get them set up for have your probation appointment now. I'm not gonna tell you, I need you in anger management, defendant to be in anger management. How many months did I put him on probation here? About 12.
Yeah, I think
Defendant could be in anger management by October 31 though, okay?
Your Honor, if, can you make that November 30th? I don't believe in another anger management.
November 30, no problem. But you gotta get in there, okay? No costs. Consider yourself lucky today. What a great country, huh?
Thank
All right, good luck. Wish you well.
Thank you.
Work hard.
Thank
Things will turn around. Sandra Marie Rose. 25T646441. Could I have Larita Tagger up here and Sarah Pruitt seated up here? Your name, ma'am? Good morning. How are you? You're going to plead to impeding traffic, true? To that charge, responsible or not responsible? I'm sorry, you plead responsible or not responsible to impeding traffic?
Impeding.
Okay. I'll accept the plea. Dismiss the speed, 150. You can go down the hall and take care of that and you're all set. Good luck. Larita Lauren Taggart, 25T646277. Good morning. Your name? Nice and loud for me. All right, Ms. Taggart, you're gonna plead to, they're gonna dismiss the speeding. You're gonna see we're going 42 on King and on Boxford or on King? 62 and a 45, what are you doing? Gotta slow down, right?
On purpose. I told the.
The accelerator pushed itself down.
No, I told the officer I had fibroids and I was having fibroids.
All right. You're gonna plead impeding, right? Responsible or not responsible? All right, I wish you well. 150. Cashier into the hall to your right. Good luck. Sarah Lynn Pruitt, 25T646452. Could I also have Caitlin Cook and Andrea Foster up here seated at the table? When is this active life versus Mackinac? Your name, Ms. Pruitt, 25T646452, your name? All right, good morning. Yeah, let me see here. Avoid traffic control device, you're going to lead to impeding, you've got a clean record, right?
Yes.
Responsible or not responsible to impede. All right, I'll accept plea 150, you're all set. Cashier into the hall to your right, good luck. Caitlin Olivia Cook, where's Andrea Foster at? Okay, Caitlin Olivia Cook, 25T646326, your name? All right, you're going to, how you doing? You look like you're scared to death. Relax. It's okay. This is not the end of the world. I promise you. Is your mom or dad here with you? All right. She needs to chill a little bit, huh?
She's going there.
All right. Don't be too nervous. All right. You're going to plead impeding, right? Okay. I'm just having fun. I don't want to scare you, honestly. Okay. You're going to be fine. To that charge, responsible or not responsible? All right. I'll accept the plea. I'm sorry if I embarrassed you. 150. Cases, you go down the hall, take care of it. Okay, good luck. Andrea Lee Foster, 245F244712. Your name? You're gonna plead the expired plate, right? Okay, so you went and got your plate renewed within 30 minutes. Wow.
Yeah, it was an oversight.
Why did you had it, it was expired for almost a year.
Yeah, we changed ownership of the car in 2024. It was under my mom's name, but she changed it to my name. So when we renewed plates, because I do have 2 other vehicles for me and my husband, those are all up to date. So I think when we transferred the car over to my name, I didn't get anything in the mail to renew the tax, and then she didn't get anything in the mail to renew the tax. So it would just got overlooked. So as soon as I got pulled over, I did go home and renew that because I don't have a driver, like a record. It was just a mistake.
We're gonna run you for Congress. You sounded so eloquent there. So the charge expired plate, responsible or not responsible? All right, I'm gonna accept the plea. 110's your total, okay? Have a good day. Kenneth, I want Spangler and Lennon seated at the table up here. And I'm going to take people against Monica Wyachek. Monica Wyachek, 24G3059908.
Break the podium.
Yeah, Ms. Wyachek, you can come up here. Your name?
My wife said.
All right, so you have 1 prior violation. It is alleged you failed to refrain from consuming alcohol. Testing positive September 16th of 25. You have 1 prior technical violation. You plead guilty here, you could get 10 days. Do you understand that? This would be your 2nd technical violation. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And they think you tested positive on September 16th of 25. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You can sign the advice of rights.
Yes.
Did you read it and understand it?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will not be a trial. Do you understand me? We won't have a hearing if you plead guilty. You understand that? Do you understand what I said? You have the right to a lawyer. If you cannot, I will appoint you one, whether you can afford one or not right now. You want a lawyer.
Like a lawyer, just to explain myself.
We're going to give you a lawyer. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea. You're going to go meet with an attorney. And then I'm going to have, as soon as you're done talking to the lawyer, the 2 of you will come in here and I will conduct a hearing or maybe.
I understand that.
Yeah.
All right, go out in the hall, he'll set you up. Good luck. Kenneth Earl Spangler, 25F244535. Good morning. Your name?
Kenneth Earl Langley.
You're charged with speed.
Yes, sir.
You're going to plead to impeding though, right?
Yes.
Responsible or not responsible to that charge?
Responsible.
All right, 150 is your total. Cash your end of the hall to your right. Good luck. People against Godfrey, Richard J. Godfrey, 25F244515.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. How are you?
I'm good.
Your name?
Richard Godfrey.
You're charged with this violation of probation. I placed you on probation on this case under 771.1 on September 4th, and I have a variety of violations here, Mr. Godfrey. Count one alleges you failed to submit the bi-weekly testing as ordered on September 16th, 25. That's count one. Says you were unable to submit a sample after 4 attempts. Do you understand the charge?
Yes.
Count two, you failed to submit on September 18th. Did you fail, unable to submit a sample after 1 attempt? Do you understand the charge?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, or if you're found guilty of either one of those, or both of those, I should say, that would be your first technical violations. You could receive 10 days jail. Do you understand?
I do.
Did you sign an advice of rights form here today?
I'm sorry?
Did you sign this advice of rights form here today?
I did, Bert.
You plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and there will not be a hearing. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. You have the right to a lawyer. Be glad to give you one. You want a lawyer?
Yes, so.
Okay, I'll give you a lawyer. I'll not enter a not guilty plea. We're gonna set this for a revocation hearing. You're gonna go talk to the lawyer, and then either way, you're coming back in front of me. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any questions?
No, the only thing is,
Don't talk to me about the case. We're gonna set you up with a lawyer. Both of these need lawyers, and then either way, you're coming back in front of me, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Mr. Lennon? Tyler Patrick Lennon, 25B146836. Your name?
I don't know.
I know. You're gonna plead impeding. Why are you driving so fast?
That's what they don't do.
Is your mom or dad here with you?
Yes,
You gotta slow down. Okay?
sir.
You're going 79 and a 50. You wanna be an NASCAR driver? Why are you driving so fast? I'm serious. On Telegraph, you're going almost 80 miles an hour? I appreciate you dressing up today. Turn around. See how this young man's dressed? Huh? I'm not trying to embarrass him. He shows some respect, which I appreciate. Don't ever forget that. People, unlike the government, think they can. Have I said enough? Have I said enough about you driving like a maniac? You're gonna plead to impeding, right? You gotta slow down though, son. How long you had your license?
Coming into a year.
You're gonna be pushing the car. You keep driving like this. To be charged impeding, responsible or not responsible? Please accepted 160. Slow down, please. What year are you in school?
I'm a senior.
Going where?
Whatever.
How you doing in school?
Good.
What are you doing next year?
I would take around.
Do you pay the 160 or do you need 10? Good luck. Appreciate you coming in looking that way. Thank you. Arcadia Marie B, 25B149446. Do I have any civil case out there, Lisa? They're gonna be backed up down there at the cashier if I keep running through these like this. I just want to know if I've got a civil case on there. Your name, ma'am? How you doing, ma'am? All right, so you're going to Let me see here. They charged you with distracted, so he cut your brake on the road. To that charge, responsible or not responsible? I'll accept the plea, 155. How much can, says you need time to pay. How much can you pay today? Do you work? Where? Sorry,
I'll get it.
at a plant?
Mhm.
What plant?
The code.
Dakota? What is Dakota?
I think we're like third party high school.
Okay, how much you make there?
1930.
Okay, kids?
So
All right.
actually the process of moving.
Okay, your name?
Nathan Johnson.
All right, so you're gonna plead to impeding traffic, right?
Yes.
To that charge, responsible or not responsible? All right, I'm gonna accept your plea. You gotta slow down too, 72 and a 55,
Yes, sir.
right?
So I was traveling from school to school. I go back and forth with two different schools for two different things.
Where do you go back and forth from?
My main school is Riverview, and then I travel at Airport High School for civil engineering.
Oh, you're gonna be a civil engineer, are you?
Yes,
What are you, a senior?
yes,
All right. You still gotta slow down, okay?
yes.
It's good you're doing well in school, though. To the charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible? Senior?
Yep.
Where next year? Lawrence Tech?
No, I'm still undecided.
Okay, 150. Cash your end of the hall, you're right.
Thank you.
That's the law. Mr. Gate, do you have a case ready for me, sir?
Yes, I've got two.
Do you have files?
Yes.
Perfect.
You can do reps. We're fine.
Okay, Alyssa Maureen Counts, 25T 645-102.
By this point, a clear rhythm has formed in the courtroom. The judge is moving fast, but he's not careless. Nearly every traffic case follows the same formula: reduce the charge, avoid points on the license, issue a fine, and deliver a verbal warning that carries more weight than the ticket itself. But pay attention to tone. Nervous young drivers get reassurance. Excuses get shut down. Accountability is demanded, but without humiliation. This isn't about revenue, it's about behavior correction. So let me ask you this: does this approach actually work better than harsh penalties? Or do some drivers only learn once consequences get more severe? Drop your take in the comments.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Your name?
Also, Maureen Counts.
Did they offer you impeding or you just didn't want it?
They did offer.
They didn't offer?
Where?
There was no accident here, was there?
No, I was hoping to like review the television.
I can't hear you.
I was hoping to review like the dash cam and see if I ran it or not. That's what I was requesting an informal.
Okay. But you know, if you go to hearing and you lose, these points are assessed, right?
Yes.
All right. You want me to set an informal, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I'm not trying to push it. You understand impeding 0 points won't go on your record, right? And you understand if you go to a hearing on this and you're convicted, the points are assessed and it goes on their record, right?
Yes.
Okay. Lisa, give me a informal hearing date.
October 2nd at 9.
October 2nd?
Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. That's this week.
Yeah. So
October 9th.
Okay. October 9th at 9 o'clock, okay? All right, have a good day.
Today's courtroom tells a powerful story about balance. We saw compassion extended to a struggling teenager on probation, firm boundaries set for probation violations involving substance use, and consistent rulings across traffic cases designed to correct behavior without destroying futures. The judge made one thing clear: personal responsibility matters, but so does context. The law isn't just about punishment, it's about guiding people back on track when possible. And that's what makes sessions like this so compelling to watch. If you found this case as eye-opening as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns you won't see anywhere else.